Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize travel insurance policies with TripMate step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the TripMate website. Locate the section dedicated to travel insurance policies. Choose the type of travel insurance that best suits your needs. Select whether you need coverage for domestic or international travel. Input your trip details, including destination and travel dates. Specify the number of travelers requiring insurance. Review the coverage options presented for your selected trip type. Consider the various levels of coverage available, such as basic, comprehensive, or premium. Click on the details for each policy to review specific inclusions and exclusions. Take note of any additional benefits, such as coverage for trip cancellations or emergency medical expenses. Evaluate optional add-ons, like adventure sports coverage or cancel for any reason upgrade. Compare the premium costs for each policy against the benefits offered. Once you have identified the ideal policy, click on the Buy option. Enter the necessary personal information for all travelers. Review your details for accuracy before proceeding to payment. Choose your preferred payment method to complete the transaction. Receive a confirmation email with your policy details and coverage document. Store a digital or printed copy of the policy for easy access during your trip. Familiarize yourself with the claims process as outlined in the policy documents. Keep a record of emergency contacts provided within the policy. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you have optimized your travel insurance coverage with TripMate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.